Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make brown sugar lemon pepper wings. This recipe is so good and it's so easy, so let's dive right on in. Alright, so to some chicken wings, I'm going to go in with a few tablespoons of lemon pepper. Now this lemon pepper has salt in it, but if you can find lemon pepper without salt, that's actually preferable. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of garlic powder and then a whole lot of fresh cracked black pepper. This is lemon pepper and I really want to taste it. So now I'm going in with a tablespoon and a half or so of baking powder, which will definitely make these wings nice and crispy. And the baking powder will act as like a leavening agent, I guess I should say, similar to how you would use baking powder when you're like baking pastries or baking breads or whatever. It definitely helps to like crisp up that skin and everything. And as you can see, we definitely have imparted lots of lemon flavor already into the actual chicken because this is lemon pepper wings. I know I keep saying it, but you really want to make sure that you're flavoring up every component of the dish. So as you saw, I placed these chicken wings on a baking rack and I placed it in the oven on about 400 degrees for about 10 minutes or so. And then I just took them out the oven, flipped them over, and placed them back in for another 10 minutes or so. At this point, you can definitely wash the wings because as you see, some of them are kind of small and I didn't want them to be just like burnt little nuggets. So I took some of them out a little bit earlier, y'all. But this is what they look like after about another 10 minutes or so in the oven. Nice and crispy. I wish you could hear them, but they even look really crispy, y'all. So now we're going to start on our sauce. So I'm starting off with a couple tablespoons of butter that I'm just going to melt up in my saucepan. And to that butter, I'm going to go in with some more of that lemon pepper seasoning. Right here, I went in with about a teaspoon and a half of that lemon pepper. Because again, like I said, it has salt and this is salted butter. And we don't want stuff to just be too salty. So then I'm going to go in with the zest of one whole lemon. I'm going to go in with the juice of a half of a lemon. Again, a whole lot of lemon flavor, y'all. Now I'm going to go in with my little secret to make this sauce really come together and kind of like cut out some of that citrusy note, some of those citrusy notes from the lemon and the lemon zest. I'm going to go in with about a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I'm going to go with some more of that fresh cracked black pepper. Y'all know it. Then I went in with a little pinch of cayenne just for some heat. So now y'all, it's just time to just mix that all up together. And I guess I should have used a whisk at this part because it'll make it a little bit easier to kind of like get everything off the bottom. So if you have a whisk, definitely use that. But as you can see, y'all, this butter is really foaming all up. That brown sugar has turned this sauce a nice deep golden color. And this is going to be perfect over our lemon pepper wings. So now, y'all, it is just time to just brush that sauce all over the top of these wings. And I mean, we are pretty much ready to go. I'm ready to just dive into these wings. I know y'all are too. So yeah, this is just the last little step into forming or creating these brown sugar lemon pepper wings. So y'all, this is the final product. That wing looks so good, and of course you already know I'm biting into that thing because I gotta just sample my work. I gotta just sample it, just a little bite, a couple bites, just a little wing. But yeah, y'all, this is what that wing is looking like. It was so good, and that wing was still nice and crispy as well, thanks to that baking powder, really crisping up the skin in the oven. So yeah, y'all, I definitely hope you try this recipe out. It's so easy. And I will see you all in the next video. And if you like what you saw, you can definitely subscribe to the channel because I'll always be uploading videos just like this every single week. All right, y'all, I'll see you in the next one.